Well, good afternoon. It's Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and today we are going to make tags to fit into these pockets, and then or these envelopes, I should say, and then make side pockets for the envelopes to fit into in the journal. So I'm going to use stamps to make a tag, and I already pre-made one, which I'll show you. So I did some just little paintings with Posca paint pens of little flowers. So that's going to go in one of them. I'll do that. And then I will stamp a tag to go in this envelope. Alright, so I have decided to try to decorate this tag with these little stamps from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to do the stems first. Actually, I probably should have put the ink on it before I put it on the thingy. Okay, that's not too bad. And now I want to make a shorter one. I feel like it's still easier to get the ink on the thing. Yeah, I think it's still easier, even though it might be messier. I don't know. Okay, and we're going to put a little short one right here. That one came out really good. I think I'll try to do the leaves on the other one better. Better put my glasses on first so I cannot see double. Oh, that's okay. No, not perfect, but okay. Now we'll try a flower. Do the bigger flower first. Ah, nice. And then the littler flower. Alright. Oh, I think that looks really cute. I realized I had these again, and I'm going to put a little bee on here. Add a little bee to my flowers. And I think there's actually a different kind of bee too, but I think what I'm going to do is turn it over and just kind of do one more little flower on the back. And it's this one. So let's get that inked up. And yeah, and I could still just put it down on the bottom. You can still journal on the card. There's still plenty of room. Okay, that one came out pretty good. A little light on the top, but that's okay. So that's going to go in the envelope. So I thought this paper would look good to be the side pocket for these two envelopes, and I was thinking about putting it, I don't know about right on there, but maybe right over here, and then the side pocket will just be on this page, and it kind of matches with the, you know, outdoorsy nature theme. So let's cut that down to size. I'm going to make two. I'm not sure I'm going to use both. I'm going to just kind of put that like that, and I'm going to just cut off a little bit from each end so it's straight. Okay, so they are all cut. I decided to reinforce them with some cardstock, and now we'll put our glue on 3 sides. and make a little side pocket. And I guess it doesn't really matter which way it goes. There we go. Oops, somebody's wants me. I think my son wants us to come over. And that's what I think that is all about. So that's going to be one side pocket, and we'll be able to just fit that right in there when it's dry. And now I'm going to go to the next signature, and I don't want to do it right on in the very beginning, so I think I'll probably do it right here, because that's kind of next to, where'd it go? It's next to that kind of viney, darker viney, and this is the lighter viney. So I am going to just put this one here, but for a little variety, I think I'm going to cut a little notch out. Just for a little variety. And really because I forgot to on the other one. Okay, glue. There we go. Put that right here on the edge of the page. And as soon as they're dry, I'll put the envelopes in. I don't know if you noticed, but I did end up trimming off closer to the stitching on these because I was afraid they wouldn't fit in the book. I had originally wanted to do it belly bands this way, and even with the cutoff, it wasn't gonna really work. It wasn't gonna be small enough to fit into a belly band, which I think would have been ideal. I could do this, but I don't know. I can make other cute envelopes with belly bands and make sure they're small, so that can go just like that. Did I put the tag in that one? Oh yeah, that has that tag in there. So this one's gonna go here. Can leave his little face sticking out. And in the other one, we will have to find the, oh, here's this one, the bunny. Put this tag in there. And this little bunny will just peek out right there like that. That's so cute. Well, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. And hope you're having a great day and you're all healthy and well and having springtime weather, because we're still stuck in 40 degrees. But anyway, we will see you next time. Bye-bye.